Tracy Show.
The members of your police department are your friends. When they give you advice regarding laws and ordinances, obey them. They're only concerned with the safety and welfare of their fellow citizens. Laws are made for your protection. Cooperate. And now join us for another Dick Tracy cartoon.
I use a very clever disguise to fool BBIs.
Sure you did, Copper, but how do you like this topper?
Okay, Chief. I'll get on it right away. Dick Tracy calling Joe Jitsu, calling Joe Jitsu.
Joe Jitsu are listening.
Report from Border Patrol that parrots are being smuggled across border. And the international crooks, BBIs, and Flat Top have been spotted in the vicinity. Check their on-the-spot movements.
Joe finished spot of tea, then most joyful journey to spot on border.
Okay, now once again from the beginning. I was born in New York.
I was born in New York.
Very good. Okay, next. Now this time get it right. I was born in New Jersey.
I was born in New Jersey. No, I cannot tell a lie. I was born in Mexico, and I am proud of it.
Hey, BBIs.
What you want, Flat Top?
This bird doesn't read his lines right. He needs another lesson.
All right, Bird Brain. Shall we start? Now repeat after me.
May be observed if cross over borderline, so pass under borderline. Building is obvious decoy. But Joe Jitsu will not be fooled. This fear like backward formula job. 1. Parrot come from egg. 2. Buy eggs from store. 3. Find store, wait for person to buy parrot eggs. Follow to hideout.
Hey, BBIs, looks like trouble. That sneaky Jiu-Jitsu just jittered by. Hatch to hatch. Then we'll flee across the border for good.
And that's flat. La-da-dee-dum-dum. 50 dozen parrot eggs. La-da-dee-dee-dee-doo.
I use a very clever disguise to fool BBIs.
Sure you did, Copper, but how do you like this topper?
Hold everything, please. Joe Jitsu calling Dick Tracy.
Come in, Joe. Is everything all right?
Everything very well down here. Oh, very well.
Good work, Joe. I know you'll come out on top.
Faster, BBIs. Turn the incubators higher. We have to make tracks.
They're already high enough to hatch ostriches. I can't get the last few in.
Then fake it, man. Fake it.
All right, but I don't like it.
Joe Jitsu thought this place was decoy, but now I have sitting ducks.
The things I do to make a dishonest dollar.
Okay, Mommy Parrot, I have you covered like you cover nest. So sorry. 10, 5, 0. Careful. I have very happy trigger finger. Pardon, madam.
Such a nice day. We thought we'd take the children for a ride.
Hold it, please. Asking routine question before crossing border. For example, where are the babies born?
I was born in New York. I was born in Mexico, and they are smugglers.
Parrot, you're a stool pigeon. One side, Copper.
And here's the other side.
And I am on the side of the road.
It's good to see you back, Joe. How did you make out?
Have installed smugglers in jail. Borderline case closed.
Good going, Joe. The department can always depend on you. Are there any more problems?
Have few small problems, like finding homes for newly hatched batch of parrots.
Rats of rock.